Start off by rolling the current print out 6 inches and open the front and back panels. Let the print roll back in and locate the gray knob on the base's right side. Turn the knob counterclockwise to untighten it and remove the knob and the silver plate. Inside the plate will be a tool to keep the print from rolling into the base. Remove the tool and set aside. Now, take the top of the attached print's clamping rail and start rolling your print around it as shown. Hold onto the print with a firm grip. When your print is fully rolled up, look at the side of your base and adjust the print until you see a hole rotate into view. Take the tool from earlier and place it in the hole. Pull up on the inside clamping rail to release the print from the base and roll up the print from the bottom. Remove the caps on the top clamping rail by sliding them off. Now, with a flathead screwdriver, start to push the tab apart on the top clamping rail to loosen the print. Pull out the print and grab the new replacement print. Slowly slide the top clamping rail onto the top of the new print. Make sure to align the back of the print with the back of the clamping rail. It will be marked with a sticker. When the print is fully inserted, press down on the area to secure the print to the top clamping rail. Place the top clamping rail's 2 end caps back onto the rail. Roll up your print around the top clamping rail till you get to the end of your print. Slowly insert your print into the base's clamping rail. This is the most tedious part of the installation. If you are having trouble, you may use a small flathead screwdriver to help gently push the print into the gap as shown on the top left of the video. Make sure the print is inserted fully into the rail and there are no gaps or holes between the rail and the print. Once the print is inserted, push down on the clamping rail to lock the print in place. Double check there are no gaps between the print and the clamping rail. Press down on the railing one more time to make sure everything is secured. Now close the back and front panels on the base. Make sure to hold the print firmly and remove the pin from the base's side. This will allow the print to be rolled back into the base. Slowly unroll your print back into the base. Now open the back panel of your base and pull up the print slightly and roll it back into the base. Grab the silver plate we took off in the beginning and place the tool back on. Attach the plate back to the base and reinsert the gray knob onto the base and screw clockwise. Pull the print out 6 inches and close the front and back panel. Your print has now been changed out.